It's about racing. Project E. Finally, you show yourself. That's an FD. What's that? An H6.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. Okay, so earlier on today I made a quick stop by Midas to get a bag of fuses and some Q20 fluid. Now the reason for this is that I recently discovered that my side mirrors are no longer working in terms of the electronic adjustment mechanism that you can use to make them face either up or down or side to side was no longer working. And I also discovered this coincidentally after I just bought a car charger to replace the one that I lost my old one. I don't know what happened to it. So I bought a car charger, and I was trying to test that out and realized that the cigarette light is not working. So after doing some research, I realized that both of these things use the same fuse, which is what I went to go to Midas to go and buy. So today is an install video. Yay, we're putting in a fuse. Okay, as you guys can see, I've already removed this is like the coin tray that you get over here by the dashboard. So it also acts as like the housing or the cap for the housing of the in-cabin fuse box. And coincidentally, conveniently, it also comes with like a handy diagram that tells you what all the fuses are for. So that you know exactly what fuses where and all that stuff. So I've already replaced the new fuse. This is the old one. Let me see if I can focus. So if you can see there, the metal sort of like loopy shaped arc that's in there, the top part of it is missing or broken. Meaning that, like, you know, there's no longer a closed circuit connection there. So that was definitely our problem. And if you look now, the mirror, oh, I turned off the car. Let's put it onto accessory mode. Okay, so if you look now, the mirror is now working. It's moving. Yeah, it was working, and the cigarette lighter seems to be working as well, because the LED lights inside this car charger thing seem to be on, and functioning, which means now my USB cable has somewhere to go and I can charge my phone while I'm driving without having to take out my music flash drive from my radio. So that is a win. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I know, once again, a very insignificant thing to do to the car or on the car, but when I saw those two things not working, I just saw an opportunity for some easy content, because I don't have the budget for bigger installs that I would really like to do. So little things like this are small ways in which I can at least teach people that you don't have to send your car into a shop for every little thing. It's very possible to do a lot of this stuff yourself. You know, if you need to learn how, there's resources like YouTube videos or online forums where you can get more than enough information to do some of these things yourself, like basic maintenance on your car, or you know, pulling out, you know, fixing certain things like replacing a fuse. It's not something that you need to pay someone like thousands of rands or dollars if you're American for, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that small little tidbit install video. Yes, I am still calling it an install video because we did install a new fuse. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe. And be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.